Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a horizontal line on your document in the Google Docs mobile. So here I've already opened a file in my Google Docs app, and here let's say I want to add a horizontal line under this offer letter here. So what you need to do is open the file and click on the pencil icon to be able to edit the file. Then go to where you want to add the horizontal line. I'm going to click on the cursor after the R letter here. Then here click on the plus icon at the top and you'll see horizontal line option. Click on that, and just like that you'll have a clean horizontal line like this, so you don't need to make it or create it manually. So if you want to add it again, just do or repeat the same steps. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.